member data for hours, minutes, and seconds. One constructor should initialize the data to 0 and another should initialize the fixed values. Another member function should display it into 11, 59, 59 format. The final member should function add two objects of type time passed as arguments. Our main program should create to initialize time objects should thereby consist and one that it's not initialized, then it should be added to initialize the values together, leaving the result in the third value. Finally, it should display the value of variable, make appropriate member function consist. And let's see the program. And the import Java util scanners class time into hours in the minutes in seconds. New scanner hours is equals to 0, minutes is equals to 0, seconds is equals to 0, time is equals to 28, in say hours is equals to a, minutes is equals to b, seconds is equals to g. Void display time, add time object to hours is equals to hours plus object plus hours. Minutes is equals to minutes plus object to plus minutes, seconds is equals to seconds plus object to plus seconds, while seconds greater than 59, seconds is equals to 60, minutes plus while minutes greater than 59 and 7 is minus is equals to 60 hours plus return this public class of public static void main string system output printed Ramprasad your command is CS1080 time object is equals to new time 2311 24 time object 2 is equals to new time 1922 45 object display object 2 display time add is equals to object add time object 2 system out print total and add display. And let's run the program. And the time the object to on time 23 hours 11 minutes 24 seconds, object to time 19 minutes 22 seconds and 19 hours 22 minutes 45 seconds, total time 42 hours 34 minutes 9 seconds. And let's see the second question. Write a menu-driven application to maintain the student information using Java. So our application must be have the following formalities using constructor, getter, and setter function. For each student, application must be details such as name, registration number, department specialization, CGPA, hostel name, mentor name, or number of areas. Get the student details from user admin. In the menu given the user option to add, edit, delete or display the student details. And let's see the program. And the import Java util scanners class student application string name, string registration, string department, string specialization, source CGPA, string hostel name, string mentor name, enter number of areas. Student application number, name is equal to null, registration number is equal to null, department is null, specialization null, CGPA 0, hostel name null, mentor name null, or number of areas is 0. Student application string name, string registration number, and this name is equal to name, this registration number, this department is equal to department, specialization is equal to specialization, CGPA is equal to CGPA, hostel name is equal to hostel name, mentor name is equal to mentor name, number of areas is equal to number of areas. Void set name, string name, this name is equal to name, void set name, string name is equal to void string name is string registration number, registration number is equal to 0, void set department is equal to set department, the department is equal to department, void set specialization, string specialization is equal to specialization, set CGPA, float CGPA is equal to CGPA, set hostel name, string hostel name, this hostel name is equal to hostel name, void set mentor name is equal to this mentor name is equal to mentor name, void number of areas into number of areas, this number of areas is equal to number of areas, string get name, string get registration number, string department, string get specialization, float get CGPA, return CGPA, string get hostel name, return hostel name, string get mentor name, return mentor name, get string indicate number of areas, return number of areas, public class ROM6, public class void main student application as it is student application in C, scanner is equal to menu add number 1 add, edit, delete, display, exit, and enter your choice. C is equal to next switch C case 1 enter name, set enter registration number, enter department, enter specialization, and enter CGPA, and enter hostel name and mentor name, and enter number of areas, and the which field the first print first one name, second one registration number, department, specialization, CGPA, hostel name, mentor name, number of areas, and enter your choice. Skin, enter new name, break, enter new registration number, break, enter new department, break, enter new specialization, break, enter new CGPA, break, enter new hostel name, break, enter new mentor name, break, enter new number of areas, break, invalid input. Number name is equal to null, registration number is equal to null, department is equal to null, the specialization is equal to null, hostel name is equal to null, CGPA is equal to null, mentor name is equal to null, number of areas 0. Case 4, name is equal to name plus object get name, registration number plus get registration number, department plus object get department name, specialization plus object get specialization, CGPA plus object get CGPA, hostel name plus object get hostel name, mentor name plus object get mentor name, number of areas plus object get number of areas, and let's run the program. And default when we have reached the end, let's run the program. And I am giving the number 1, enter the name Ram, and the registration number 1080, and the department CSC, and specialization UI AI, and CGPA 7, and hostel name FDR, and mentor name Jasper, and number of areas 3. And next I am giving the name and which field do you want to edit, and I am giving 2, enter new registration number 1065, and I am giving the name 3, enter your choice 3, enter your choice, and I am giving the number 4, and name is equal to null, registration is equal to null, department null, specialization null, CGPA 0, hostel name null, mentor name null, number of areas 0, and I am giving the 5. We have reached the end. And let's see the third question. Write a menu driven application to maintain the smartphone technical satisfaction for various brands using Java. Use constructor, getter, and setter functions. Your application must contain the following functionalities. For each mobile, your application must maintain the details such as product name, operating system, display size, memory. Get the product details from admin. In the menu, given the user options to add, edit, delete, or display the smartphone details. And let's see the program. Let's see the program. Import Java util scanner class mobile string name int size string OS int memory. See new scanner mobile name size OS memory mobile string A int B string C int D. Name is equals to A, size is equals to B, OS is equals to C, memory is equals to D. String get name, return name, int get size, return size, string get OS, return OS, string int get in memory, return memory, void set name, string A, name is equals to A, void set size into B, size is equals to B, void set OS, string C, OS is equals to C, void set memory into D, memory is equals to D, and void add string output dot print enter name, string A is equals to int, name is equals to A into B, say enter size, string size B, enter operating system, OS is equals to C, enter memory into D, memory is equals to D, and video edit name, then select an option to edit size, operating system, memory, int choice, switch choice, enter size, int b is equals to s in next int size b break is case 2 enter operating system os is equals to c break case 3 enter memory is equals to d break default enter valid option and void delete string name dot equal ignores case size name is equals to null size is equals to 0 s is equals to null memory is equals to 0 delete successfully and name plus size operating system memory and public class public static void main print mobile object is equals to new mobile int count n is equals to 0 while count less than object dot length object is equals to new mobile count plus scanner is equals to new scanner string flag is equals to s add menu add edit delete display int choice next switch choice case 1 system output print enter the number of mobile then for int I is equals to 0 I less than n I plus plus enter details of plus I plus 1 plus mobile object I add break case 2 string enter the name int j is equals to 0 j less than n j plus plus object edit m1 case 3 enter the name int k is equals to 0 k less than n k plus plus k break case 4 details of plus I plus 1 plus mobile display break default enter valid number do you want to continue 1 s number 2 no flag s if choice 2 if choice 2 is equals to 1 flag is equals to s l flag is equals to no while flag is equals to s and let's run the program and I am giving the number 1 enter number of mobile 2 and enter details of one mobile enter name and I am giving the name as Vivo enter the size 17 and operating system Vivo and enter memory 64 and I am giving the second number Redmi and the size is 15 and the operating is MI and memory is 128 and do you want to continue yes and I am giving 2 enter the name Vivo and select an option to edit again I am giving the 2 enter operating system real do you want to continue yes and again I am giving the name as 3 enter the name Redmi and do you want to continue yes and I am giving the number 4 yes, that's all. Thank you guys by seeing my video.